Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about overloading constructors, part of programming in C++ course. In C++, you can have multiple constructors in a class, each with a different number of type of parameters. This is known as constructor overloading. Constructor overloading allows you to create objects of a class in different ways, depending on the information that you have available. For example, you might have one constructor that takes all the required information as parameters, and another constructor that takes only the minimum required information and sets the other information to default values. Here is an example of overloading constructors in the dog class. In this example, the dog class has two constructors. The first constructor takes the name, breed, and age of the dog as parameters. And the second constructor takes only the name of the dog as a parameter. The second constructor sets the breed to unknown and the age to 0 by default. When creating a dog object, you can choose the constructor that best fits your needs, depending on the information that you have available. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.